How to add sound in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add sound in YT Create application on your video. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see I have already added up a project. Now if I want to add the sound on that project, I can just simply tap right here on the sound option. So just tap on it and you can see I can add the music from the given list of the this application. I can change the sound effect and I can change your music. So in your music I will get access to the my media. So you will have to grant access to your media, and after that you will get access to your media. So let me select the sound from there. So if I tap right here on this sound, and you can see this sound will be played, so you can check the sound from there that what the sound is. Now if you want to export this sound to your video, just tap right here on this arrow and you will see that this sound will be imported to your video. So it will take a little time to export this sound, and you can see that this sound will be added to my video. So this is how you can easily add the sound in your YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.